Amazon CloudWatch Logs provides a scalable and centralized platform for storing, monitoring, and analyzing logs from a wide range of AWS services. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 6 things about CloudWatch Logs in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1. CloudWatch Logs allows you to collect, store, and access log data from various sources such as EC2 instances, CloudTrail, VPC flow logs, and Route 53. You can ingest and store your own application and system logs using CloudWatch Logs as well.
Stay tuned, there's more to come.
Number 2. Once the logs are stored in CloudWatch Logs, you can set up alarms and notifications based on log data, which can help you quickly identify and troubleshoot issues. You can also use CloudWatch Logs to gain deeper insights into your application's performance, security, and compliance posture.
Giddy up.
Number 3. You can monitor application logs for specific literal terms such as NullPointerException in Java-based applications or 404 status codes in an Apache access log. When the term you're searching for is found, CloudWatch Logs reports the data to a CloudWatch metric that you specify. Number 4. Use CloudWatch Logs Insights to interactively analyze your log data and perform queries to help you more efficiently respond to operational issues. CloudWatch Logs Insights includes a purpose-built query language with a few simple yet powerful commands.
Howdy, partner.
Number 5. If you have sensitive data in your logs, you can help safeguard it with data protection policies. These policies let you audit and mask sensitive data such as email addresses and social security numbers.
Keep your formation!
Last but not the least, number 6. By default, logs are kept indefinitely and never expire. However, you can adjust the retention policy for each log group and choose a retention period between 1 day and 10 years. In summary, CloudWatch Logs is a powerful tool for collecting, storing, and analyzing logs in AWS. It can be an important part of your overall application monitoring and analysis strategy. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.